In the alert and semantic search page, we can set the parameters for offline searches. There are three sections. In the below section, we have to set the fields to receive an email and notification. It will get the alert with a summary results table and the IntelliPatent link to access to whole table. If you want to set a normal offline search, you have to fill the first section that is identical to that one already analyzed for the online search. Then we have to set the alert and activate the task. If you want to undertake a semantic search, you have to set also the second section, clicking on vocabulary checkbox and choosing one of existing vocabularies. Clicking on the Choose button, a window with vocabulary list is displayed, and we can know for each vocabulary, vocabulary name, concept and synonym preview, notes, and task activation data. When we choose a vocabulary, this will be applied to parameter search set in the first session. Therefore, we proceed to alert setting and task activation. We can also apply the semantic search and alert to search already done. Clicking on History. For instance, let's retrieve the search already executed in this tutorial, GPS and car. Let's choose an appropriate vocabulary, navigation tool on car, therefore go ahead, as usual. An info window will confirm that the task is being set. In the Manage Alert Task and Results page, we can know the search status. When the status is OK, the table results is ready. In the Action section, we can access to analyze the offline search result or re-edit the matched task. Clicking on Action or Result, we can analyze patent table and semantic search result on patent description and patent claims. The patents table returns analogous information to the result table already discussed about online research. The only difference is that it's possible access to the semantic search result. We are going to analyze the semantic search page applied to our patent's description. On the light gray bar, first line, our search parameters are displayed. On the second line, the vocabulary name is applied. On the left column, there are all concepts belonging to a specific vocabulary, in this case, panel and navigator. On the right column, there are 6 categorizations: publication number, applicant, inventor, IPC, publication date, and language. This categorization with the concept 1 allows the so-called phased navigation of the obtained results. This methodology enables a semantic analysis easy and complete. Facets organize information according to the mentioned categories. All documents, in fact, are accessible and clustered in such a way that you can find what you're looking for in an intuitive manner. In this case, we can see that 36 description treat navigator concept, 9 panel concept. If we select both of them, we obtain all documents that treat only navigator concept or only panel concept or both of them. In fact, we will get 39 documents and not 36 plus 9 because any document can treat more concepts. We can group results according to different category hierarchization. For instance, setting before date and then main subject, we obtain for each date the concept clusters. To be more precise, sets belonging to each concept according to each date. Instead, if we set before main subject and then date, we obtain for each concept the data clusters. The category on the right returns all information of the document set that we have previously filtered and obtained by concept selection. For instance, let's select all documents with panel navigation concept. So we obtain a document set that we can navigate and analyze by different points of view. Now we are going to choose a particular applicant, and we will obtain a subset that contains the applicant. Until this time, we have used vocabularies already existing. Now, in the Manage a Vocabulary page, we are going to see how to edit and build them. In the page, we have the existing vocabulary list, with the concept as synonyms preview. On the top of the table, there are two buttons, Build a new vocabulary and Edit an existing vocabulary. Selecting the Edit button, we notice that the bigger circle on the right becomes red, suggesting us that we are working on vocabulary. We can, in fact, delete it or modify its concepts. Let's modify navigation tools on car vocabulary, clicking on Edit Concepts. It opens a window where we can build a new concept belonging to this vocabulary or re-edit existing concepts. For instance, we are going to modify the panel concept and its synonyms, adding in synonym field cruscotto, the Italian translation of dashboard. Therefore, we have to specify the language, add to the list, and finally apply. We are back to the Manage a Vocabulary page, where we can build a new concept, edit, or confirm the operation done. Now we are going to build a new concept, display, and its synonyms, monitor and schermo. We add each concept and we apply with Done. In fact, clicking on Done button, we apply finally all changes. Then we can refresh the table. Now we are going to build a new vocabulary called braking system. So we have to build a new concept. The new concept is brake disc and its synonyms. Brake disc and fregnadisco. We add one by one and then apply. It's possible building how many concepts we want with the same modality. The new vocabulary is activated by Done button and remain available for our search that we will carry out in the future.